If you've ever downloaded a game somewhere else and want to launch it from Steam, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a game to Steam that was downloaded elsewhere, so you can keep all your games in one place and start them right from your Steam library. This is a super simple process, and it only takes a minute or two. Just keep in mind, this method adds the game as a non-Steam shortcut, so it won't give you Steam achievements, cloud saves, or full Steam integration. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software and gaming tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Steam on your PC and go to your library. This is where all your installed and available games are shown. At the bottom left corner of the Steam window, you'll see a button that says Add a Game. Click that button to open the menu. From here, choose Add a non-Steam game. Steam will then scan your computer and show you a list of programs it can detect. Look through the list and find the game you want to add. If you don't see it right away, you may need to browse for the game's executable file manually, depending on how it was installed. Once you've selected the game, click Add Selected Programs, and that's it. Steam will now add the game to your library as a shortcut. You can launch it directly from Steam anytime, which makes everything feel a lot more organized. Again, just remember, this is only a shortcut, so features like achievements, Steam Cloud, and overlay support may not work the same way as a full Steam game. If you want, you can also right-click the game in your library later and change the name or icon to make it easier to identify. So now you know how to add a game to Steam that was downloaded elsewhere in just a few clicks. If this tutorial was useful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.